We've been up since 4 a.m. It's now 9 o'clock at night. Missed a flight, bought 2 more flights to 2 different places. None of that matters now. We're landing with just enough time to make it.
Winds are out of the northwest at 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25 miles per hour with a temperature of 72 degrees.
Out here, right at the point of contact with the hurricane on the ocean meeting the land. We're under tornado watch inside of a hurricane. Right behind me, the storm surge is trying to come up. Reporting you live, and I mean live.
Oh, the surge. We gotta go. We gotta go. We've stayed too long. We gotta go. That is the ocean coming right over. Oh! Big flash. Whoa. Whoa. That all just came down right in front of us. Look at that. All that came down. Ooh, getting hit with debris. Okay, hold on. Let's time it. Think we can time it? It's like, hold on. Okay. Go over here. Yeah, more stuff hitting us. Okay, ready? Punch it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Yep. Remember, you got the gas can in the back. Got around it. Power out.
Slow down at the intersection. I'll just treat it like a stop.
Now at this point, we've come across a lot of down power lines and stoplights out. Easy to see, treat them like a 4-way.
These power lines are gonna go down in any second.
Yep. More power lines.
What we're about to go through next is something just to show people the visibility and how you can't predict what's gonna happen.
Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! That was close.
Just like football has instant replay, so does storm chasing, and I can tell you from being there, the roads were incredibly slick. There was no indicator of a stoplight coming up, other than the paint on the ground, but by then it was too late. We got lucky, narrowly missing an accident. With the highest of the winds behind us, we had decided after a few close calls, both exhausted and hungry, that we would call it a night for just a few hours.
There we are, right in it. Right in the tornado warn. Mill still has power.
Oh, right there.
Oh, wow, yeah. Bam, right on. You see the smoke. There's still the smoke in the air from
right,
it.
let's,
So that transformer.
Visibility being so poor, we decided to call the chase. Trying to find tornadoes inside of a hurricane is just about impossible anyways in that kind of conditions. So we went back to Daytona Beach to hear and see some of the damage. Leaving a hurricane is always the hardest thing, and it was no different with this one. This time it had nothing to do with the hurricane.
Hour. I don't know what that means, and I don't know the solution to it.
With the delays and misfortune, I took a moment to realize I get to see some pretty incredible stuff in this world. crossing the Everglades, up at 30,000 feet, looking at the earth, watching it. One of my favorite places to go is the Delta.
Here we are, stuck in Dallas, trying to get friends to do the Storm Chaser relay race. Someone pick us up in Dallas, someone take us halfway up, someone take us the other way half up to Dallas, or up to OKC. You gotta be to work tomorrow. Always happens, doesn't it?
The airport's TPS team responded quickly, put out the fire, and shut off the affected pump. The airport's traffic control command center also said its fuel system was offline and being inspected. Now that's when the ground stopped again.
In the end, this fluke lightning strike would cause us to sit inside of an airplane for 2.5 hours in Miami, and then also cause us to miss our connecting flight in Kansas to Wichita. At that point, we called some very close friends in the Chase community that helped us get up, so I wouldn't miss any time with my kids. I had missed the weekend prior with my kids to cover the outbreak in Oklahoma and Texas.
Stuff. It should be a hell of a drive. Just got back in. It's 1:30 in the AM, even though my flight was canceled. My friends were kind enough to make sure I made it all the way back to Oklahoma to my kids. I can't thank them enough. And it's just another run in the books, across the nation and back. Glad everybody was safe, at home with their families. Prayers to those that lost. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Outside, but for you, Dad. Not out.
It's not out. It's Coles now. It's perfect for marshmallows.